Chicken Noodle Soup. Chicken noodle soup is one of the most famous soups in the United States and is often considered the ultimate comfort food. It is made with tender chicken, noodles, vegetables, and a warm, flavorful broth. The soup became especially popular because it is commonly served to people when they are sick or recovering from illness. What makes it special is its strong connection to family traditions and home cooking. Many Americans grew up eating it during cold winters or when feeling under the weather. A surprising fact is that some scientific studies suggest chicken soup may help reduce inflammation associated with colds. People care about chicken noodle soup because it combines nutrition, comfort, and nostalgia in a single bowl. Tomato soup. Tomato soup is one of America's most recognizable soups, known for its bright red color and smooth, creamy texture. It became a household staple after canned soup products made it affordable and convenient for millions of families. The soup is typically made from tomatoes, cream, herbs, and seasonings. What makes tomato soup special is its perfect pairing with grilled cheese sandwiches, creating one of the most iconic comfort food combinations in the country. Its rich flavor comes from cooked tomatoes, which develop a natural sweetness. A surprising fact is that cooking tomatoes increases the availability of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. People care about tomato soup because it transforms a simple vegetable into a warm and satisfying meal. Clam Chowder. Clam chowder is a famous American seafood soup that originated in the coastal communities of New England. It is made with clams, potatoes, onions, cream, and herbs, creating a thick and hearty texture. The soup has become a symbol of America's maritime culture and fishing heritage. What makes it special is its rich and creamy consistency, which makes it especially popular during colder weather. Different regions have developed their own versions, but New England clam chowder remains the most famous. A surprising fact is that clam chowder festivals and competitions are still held in several coastal towns. People care about clam chowder because it represents a unique blend of local history, seafood traditions, and comfort food. Broccoli Cheddar Soup. Broccoli Cheddar Soup became widely popular through American restaurants and cafes, especially as a favorite lunch option. It combines fresh broccoli with a creamy cheese-based broth, creating a balance between vegetables and indulgent comfort food. Its bright green and golden yellow appearance makes it visually appealing. What makes it special is how it transforms a healthy vegetable into a rich and flavorful dish. The creamy texture and cheesy taste appeal to both adults and children. A surprising fact is that broccoli contains compounds linked to supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. People care about broccoli cheddar soup because it combines nutrition and comfort in a way that feels both healthy and satisfying. Potato soup. Potato soup has been enjoyed in American households for generations because potatoes are affordable, filling, and widely available. It is usually made with potatoes, cream, butter, cheese, bacon, and seasonings, creating a thick and hearty meal. The soup is especially popular during colder months. What makes it special is its ability to turn simple ingredients into something incredibly satisfying. Its creamy texture and rich flavor make it one of the most comforting soups available. A surprising fact is that potatoes contain more potassium than many people realize, even more than some fruits. People care about potato soup because it offers warmth, affordability, and comfort in every spoonful. Corn Chowder. Corn chowder is closely connected to American farming traditions, especially in regions where corn has been cultivated for centuries. The soup is made from sweet corn, potatoes, cream, onions, and sometimes bacon, creating a rich and slightly sweet flavor. It is especially popular during harvest season. What makes it special is the natural sweetness of corn, which gives the soup a unique taste compared to other chowders. The creamy texture enhances its comforting appeal. A surprising fact is that corn was one of the most important crops grown by indigenous peoples long before European settlers arrived. People care about corn chowder because it reflects America's agricultural history and love of hearty comfort foods. French onion soup. French onion soup originated in France but became a beloved menu item across the United States. It is made by slowly caramelizing onions until they become sweet and flavorful, then simmering them in broth and topping the soup with toasted bread and melted cheese. Its appearance is both elegant and inviting. What makes it special is the incredible depth of flavor created from such simple ingredients. The caramelization process can take hours, producing a rich and complex taste. A surprising fact is that onions were once considered a food mainly for workers because they were inexpensive and easy to grow. People care about French onion soup because it proves that patience and technique can transform ordinary ingredients into something extraordinary. Lobster Bisque. Lobster Bisque is one of the most luxurious soups commonly enjoyed in the United States, particularly in coastal states such as Maine. It is made with lobster, cream, butter, seafood stock, and seasonings, resulting in a smooth and velvety texture. The soup is often associated with fine dining and special occasions. What makes it special is its rich seafood flavor and silky consistency. Every spoonful delivers the taste of premium ingredients and coastal culinary traditions. A surprising fact is that lobsters were once so abundant in some areas that they were considered food for prisoners and laborers. People care about lobster bisque because it combines history, luxury, and exceptional flavor in one unforgettable dish.